Hello, friends. Good evening. If you are looking for a plant that smells fabulous in your home, jasmine is the best choice for you. Jasmine plant blooms vibrant, fragrant flower during its growing season that are used for decorative purposes. It also has major application in cosmetic. Here I will let you know about how to grow and care for jasmine plant in summers and how do we take more flowers on jasmine plant. Jasmine is an evergreen flowering shrub that is native to tropical warm temperate ranges of Australia, Asia, Europe and China. They are available as erect, vines, climbers and spreaders in white, yellow color flowers. Flowers are in clusters ranging from 4 to 9 petals depending on the variety. Jasmine is a popular flower that is cultivated worldwide for its unique fragrance. It is sold out as ornamental or decorative plants by the farmers, resulting in huge profits. First, we will talk about care of jasmine. Do not disturb the roots while fertilizing jasmine plants. During summer or winter season, make use of mulch to protect the plant from extreme cool or climate conditions. In summers, you should also mulch your plant, like I have been mulching my jasmine plant. In summer season, allow the soil to be moist and let it dry between two successive waterings. Jasmine plants will not survive if the temperature drops below 40 Fahrenheit during the cool winter season when planted indoors. Wear protective face mask and gloves when you pesticides to control pest can cause severe allergic reaction. Do not overwater jasmine plant as the roots absorb more water from the ground if you are planted in ground level and result in root rot diseases. Friends, a most common question my viewers frequently have been asking, why is jasmine plant not flowering? Though your jasmine plant looks healthy with lustrous green foliage, it may not bloom flowers. It is due to the lack of feeding the plants with water and fertilizers rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. So, apply the fertilizers that jasmine plants love to absorb nutrients from them and bloom flowers quickly. Prune the jasmine plant when it stops blooming fragrant flowers. Like I have pruned my jasmine, deeply pruned. After 15 to 20 days, it started blooming. And the second important question is, do jasmine plants need full sun? When you grow jasmine in pots, prefer them to plant in a warm location. Most of the jasmine varieties prefer full sun to partial shade with well drained fertile soil. They cannot tolerate and may even die in extreme hot and cold conditions. How often do you water jasmine plant? Water jasmine plants immediately after planting in soil. Water the plant daily, early in the morning and in the evening, in small amount or weekly in huge amounts, 2 inches per week. Make sure the soil is completely dry before you water the plant. How to prune our jasmine plant? To prune jasmine, first remove any damaged, diseased, or dead stems from the plant to prevent any spread of disease. Then remove any stems that are tangled or that no longer flower. Help keep trained jasmine clean and tidy by snipping stems that are growing away from the plant. Prune jasmine blooms immediately after they flower so vines have enough time to grow before the flowering season. Pruning is easy. Simply pinch the tips by squeezing them between your finger and thumbnail. Proper and regular pruning will promote lush, full foliage and rapid growth of jasmine. Friends, this is my other plants, silver artemisia. Many people call lavender plant. This is going good. And this is jade plant. Friends, many people ask that when to plant jasmine. Plant jasmine bushes anytime between June and November. This is evergreen shrub. This is my plant which I bought last year. Soil that jasmine thrive in. Jasmine needs well drained but moist, moderately fertile, sandy, loamy soil. Loamy soil means 6 to 7 acidic soil. Jasmine thrives well in acidic soil. You can use as a fertilizer, homemade fertilizer like banana peel fertilizer or used tea leaf fertilizer. I have posted many videos on my channel like how to make banana peel fertilizer at home, how to use used tea leaf for your plants. So you may go through. I have been posting my videos on English and Hindi both. Actually, friends, jasmine is not particularly hard to care for, but it does require some attention in the beginning and needs regular feeding and pruning. Like 3 to 4 important care tips of jasmine you should always keep in your mind if you have planted jasmine in your garden or terrace garden or balcony garden. Watering, pruning, the amount of sunlight and fertilizer, or last but not the least, watering. These are the important tips. Water when the soil is dry, fertile with fertilize with phosphorus or nitrogen rich fertilizer, and prune it always regularly, you can say, for more flowering. When you fertilize your plant, don't sprinkle near the roots. Thank you, friends.